So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to find link on Monopoly Go. But before we dive into that, here's a website where you can get dice and stickers using our discount code.
By MMOG for all things Monopoly Go related. So just click onto that, try to click onto dice in here, and then just click onto buy now. And in the coupon section here, you could grab an additional 10% off with our exclusive discount code, which is TechTricks.
So now that's out of the way, basically all you have to do this is pretty simple. So when is a link is shared to you via invite right here, once you're sent an invite, it's gonna look something like this. So we go to my notes and you're gonna see a Monopoly Go link, something like this. All you have to do is press it. It's gonna redirect you to your browser or your Chrome, and here you can download Monopoly Go itself. So once you have downloaded it, it's pretty simple. Just open it and then there you go. All you have to do is just get that link and you will have Monopoly Go, and you'll be friends instantly as you do it also on the way. So there you go guys. That is how you find the link on Monopoly Go, and thank you for watching this video and see you again next time.